everybody, my name is Asha Nicole. If you're new here, but if you're not, which I know you're not, then welcome back. In this next video, we're doing a maintenance video, as you can see, so stay tuned for that. So I start on my nails, and I'm not really doing a step-by-step guide on any of the things in this video. This is just like a watch with me maintenance video, not a tutorial. So I just wanted to put that out there, like everything's sped through, cut up, and I'm just putting some content out there, you know. Yeah, so here I start on my hair. I gave my natural hair a trim, and I always use Dark and Lovely products. Their blowout line is amazing, and it smells amazing as well. Here I'm using Suya tape-ins from Amazon. I use 5 boxes on my hair. Like I said, it is not a tutorial, but I'm just, you know, showing you guys. So it's literally like 2 days later and my hair is a mess again. So I'm just going to continue on with this maintenance video as if it's not 2 days later. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair and wear my tape-ins. And yeah, just stay tuned for that. So I'm going to start with my dry shampoo, and this is in the scent Sweetie. I love dry shampoo because it just makes my hair smell so good. And yeah, I'm going out with this Cheek Keratin leave-in conditioner all over my actual hair and then the tape-ins as well. And just not drench it, but like make sure the product is there, you know. We want to put a generous amount, but not too much to where it is damp. Then you're going to go in with your Cheese Silk Fusion just to give your hair some gloss and then some hair protectant before I start flat ironing my hair and burning it up like I always do. I'm going to do a few passes on my hair, not too many because it's already pretty straight. This is a Tyco flat iron that I got from my mother. And I love it so much. I don't want to give it back. It's like got a blow dryer, a built-in blow dryer, so the flat iron doesn't get too hot. I love it so much. But I always turn my flat iron all the way up to the highest setting. And then like once I start flat ironing, I turn it down. But yeah, here's one side, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side.
Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that Soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier Boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll?
So now I'm going to take some extra strength biotin all over my edges, like where my hair is like pretty weak at from wearing wigs and stuff. And some edge control. I'm going to start on my edges. I normally put the oil on last because it's kind of hard to sculpt edges with oil on them. So I don't know why I didn't do that, but I just didn't want to forget. So yeah, but normally I go ahead and I do my edges, then I put the biotin oil on. And yeah, that's how I keep my edges nice and strong while I am wearing wigs.
Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all.
So the next thing I'm going to do is take my spritz to lay down my flyaways. Not too much, and mainly only on my real hair. So basically at the top. And yeah, you know, we're done with the hair portion. Just getting it nice and sleek, making sure all of my tapes are covered. And I'm gonna do the other side of my edges off camera. So now I'm gonna do the bottom lashes, and those are the lashes that I'm using. They'll be linked in the description. The glue I use, I get it from the hair supply store. But I always go in with a bonder stick. I think I show it. Yeah, here it is, the bonder stick. And I always go in with the bonder stick first, and then I apply glue to the actual cluster or fan or whatever, and then I attach it because it just lasts so much longer when you use 2 different glues. And I have a full tutorial on my channel on how I do my lashes if you want to see a full tutorial on tops and bottom. So now I'm gonna go in with my was it snail snot or snail secretion cream for my face, and I'm gonna start on my makeup. So this is my lovely makeup collection. I have so many makeup palettes that I do not use, but today is going to be like my makeup no makeup look, and I will show you guys how I achieve it. So I'm going to start by filling in my brows and just getting them nice and crisp. I think I filled this side in a little too much. That's why I'm just trying to even it out. I don't like my eyebrows too dark. I like them to look very natural, as if I didn't do anything to them. So, yeah. So this is literally a no makeup look. I'm not applying any concealer on under my under eyes. I'm just going to do my brows, put a little liner on my lips and lip gloss. That is it. And this is my everyday look. How did I do? Like, I'm such a baddie. I love it. I put my contacts in, and now I have transitioned into my alter ego. Check your girl out. Watch it. Wow, yes. Ooh, nice. Beautiful. Mi amor. But yes, this is how I transform into my alter ego, my everyday look. Yeah, no makeup look. How I wear my hair on the everyday basis, and yeah. Her name is Lala. Lala has stepped into the chat. And until next time, I will see you guys in another motherfucking video. I love you guys so much, and if you have any questions on any products that I use in this video, it will be linked down below. And until next time, I love you, and I'll see you in another motherfucking video. Mwah.
You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that soldier? Now why me crank that soldier? Now why me crank that soldier? Now why me crank that soldier?